In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from QuickBooks Online to Excel or PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the numbers you need in the format that works best for analysis, sharing, or record keeping. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to the Reports area. You'll find reports in the main navigation menu. This section houses your standard reports, like profit and loss and balance sheet, along with many others organized by category. If you already know what you want, use the search bar at the top of the reports page to quickly locate it. Click the report name to open it, and give it a moment to load the most current data. Before you export, it's a good idea to fine-tune the view. Click the Customize button if you want to adjust what appears. Here you can set a precise report period, switch between cash and accrual accounting, choose which columns to include, group and sort rows, and apply filters to focus on specific accounts, customers, classes, or locations. Take a quick scan of the preview to make sure totals, subtotals, and headings look right. Customizing now helps ensure the exported file matches exactly what you expect, saving time later. Once the report looks good, glance to the top right corner of the report screen. You'll see the export icon, which appears as a small download-style arrow. Click it to open your export options. Choose your preferred format. Select Export to Excel if you plan to edit, analyze, or combine the data with other worksheets. Excel is ideal for formulas, pivot tables, and custom charts. If you simply need a clean, read-only snapshot that preserves the on-screen layout, choose Export to PDF. PDFs are perfect for sharing with stakeholders who don't need to change anything, and for keeping consistent print-ready records. After you pick Excel or PDF, the file will begin downloading automatically to your computer. Most browsers save it to your Downloads folder by default, and the file name typically includes the report type and date range, so it's easy to recognize. If your browser prompts you to choose a location, just select the folder where you want to keep it. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's Downloads list or your system's Downloads folder. That's all there is to it. Open the file to confirm everything looks correct, and you're ready to share, analyze, or archive your QuickBooks Online report. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.